guys, it's Maximus.B here with another video, and today I'm with a special guest, my cousin Matthew.
Hey guys, today we're going to do
Elephant Toothpaste.
Boom! Disclaimer,
Adult supervision.
I've got adult supervision
Yes.
when
Alright,
you're doing this.
so this is hydrogen peroxide.
Dishwashing liquid.
Food dye and this little squirt to make it colourful.
Dry yeast, and we have the
A bottle
undried yeast.
and undried yeast with water mixed with it. And we need this to make it work. So we have to pour all this hydrogen peroxide in this bottle.
Go.
Right? There we go. Can you please hold the bottle? Because we have all this, now we have to pour one drop of this.
One squirt.
One squirt of dishwashing liquid. That's good. Alright. Now, one drop, this whole thing
Just
into this. Is that good?
yeah, that's good. So we put all the liquid dye.
And we put all this hydrogen peroxide in. So,
Now,
next we have to pour this
and then
into the bottle. Hopefully it will make the explosion. Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Alright, ready? Can you hold this for me? Ready? In the middle.
Out of the way really fast.
Ready, set, go.
And
Anyways, it's slowly coming up. But if you can see, it's foaming. Was this a foul? Was this a success? If it was a foul or if it was successful, leave a like. If it was foul, leave a comment down below and subscribe. So, what do you think it was?
I think it did go up, but very slowly. But that was pretty much because of the dry yeast.
Leave a comment down below. Bye.